TECHART has revealed the 5th generation TECHART Magnum, a super SUV based on the new Porsche Cayenne. For the first time ever, the TECHART Magnum body kit is available plug-and-play for every Cayenne E 3.2 variant, allowing customers to create a truly individual masterpiece. With sharper lines, increased use of carbon fiber, and an uncompromising level of customization, it delivers an unmistakable statement of power, luxury, and exclusivity. For the first time, a significant portion of the bodywork is crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, including the entire front apron, rear bumper, and aerodynamic components, even when painted. At the front, the completely redesigned bumper with massive air intakes enhances the vehicle's aggressive appearance, while the sculpted carbon fiber hood adds to its unmistakable character. Sharply defined wheel arch extensions seamlessly merge with the newly contoured side skirts, creating a dynamic silhouette that exudes power and confidence. At the rear, a dramatic exposed carbon diffuser and an illuminated light strip frame the signature TECHART Sport exhaust system. A true highlight is the exclusive center exit exhaust system, developed specifically for the Magnum, a feature never before available for the Cayenne hatchback. With this innovation, TECHART is the first to offer a center exit exhaust for both the Cayenne Coupe and hatchback. The new Magnum is not just about presence, it delivers a level of power and performance that sets a new benchmark in the high-performance SUV segment. With an output of 930 horsepower and 1,100 Newton-meters of torque, the Magnum accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.7 seconds, while its top speed is electronically limited to 330 kilometers per hour. The vehicle is engineered for 350 kilometers per hour. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.